Actually ka, may opinion ka na?
Ay, madami. And ito siguro yung pinaka-polarizing topic that every time I talk about, people, like half the room gets angry, half the room agrees. Kailangan talaga siya pag-aralan to see how it can work. Kasi sobrang napag-iwanan na tayo sa buong mundo when it comes to industrializing, when it comes to kumbaga to really embracing digital and really embracing what our role is in the world order when it comes to digital and AI. So, ang laki ng opportunities pagdating doon. But again, there are also a lot of risks. And wala pa naman talaga actual agreement that has been signed. Wala pang very specific details on what will be done. So ako, ang take ko on it is keep an open mind. Pagtingnan lang natin kung ano yung mangyayari.
Umatras na ang Indonesia at yung ay mayroong ang Thailand may ano
Siam Silica.
parang ganun o Siam Silica. So hindi ba parang medyo blinking warning sign na 'yon?
There's definitely concerns. 100%. Like sabihin natin kung ano ba talaga yung mga concerns doon. Those have to be raised and discussed. But at the same time, kailangan din natin tingnan ano ba yung spirit. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, di ba minimina lahat ng mga materials dito. Pagkatapos nun, pinapadala yan sa ibang bansa para i-process at i-refine. Yun yung missing link natin eh. So, yun yung magandang pag-aralan. Pag nagawa mo yun dito, that will create so much economic opportunity. Again, I'm not saying na we should jump into it with our eyes closed and take everything saying yes, no? But there has to be that discussion. There has to be that analysis. Kasi kung wala, baka naman we're throwing away something, di ba, na makakatulong pala. At the end of the day, it's about compromise eh.
So much impassioned debate about something na lahat ay nagsispekulate pala.
Correct, wala pa napipirmahan. Di ba? Mangyayari pa yan later down
walang
the road.
technology transfer.
Oo.
Ang mapupuntang trabaho dyan, mga low-level jobs lang yan. Mga
Correct, di ba? Pero ang dami yan na pwedeng pag-usapan pa as the months go by. So ako, ang appeal ko sa atin mga kababayan, let's keep an open mind. Let's keep our ears open, makinig tayo, and then assess as the facts come. Kasi again, yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba, pagdating sa town hall, ang dapat manaig na malakas na boses is yung boses that speaks the truth and speaks the facts, not fake news. So antayin natin maglabasan lahat yan, and then we can make our own formed analysis and recommendation if it's something we should do ba or not.